Hi, this is Chris, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT50 XTR dual cab ute. Stock reference number is 4888. The shape runs from the 7th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, pair of side steps, factory with all bolts and brackets, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, ARB canopy, supplied with all fittings and keys. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a really tidy rear bumper bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, this vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, climate control heating controls, factory 9-inch sat nav unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.